Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked which of these following expressions is equal to a to the 2/3 for all values of a. So if we're going to take a to the 2/3, we can think of this as a to the 2 times 1/3, right? All in the exponent. And when you're multiplying exponents, that's the same as a to the 2 to the 1/3 power. Let's bring this over here. What does it mean for something to be to the 1/3 power? Well, let's use a here for our example. A to the 1 over x, where x is some number, is going to be the xth root of a, right? So a to the 1/2 would be the square root of a to the 1/4 would be the 4th root of a, and a to the 1/3 would be the 3rd root of a. So in this case, we're taking the 3rd root, not of a, but of a squared. So this expression is equal to a to the 2/3, and this is answer D. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.